Okay, quick run through of data management in HubSpot. Again, there's a lot going on here, and this is something you'll spend a lot of time in. But here's the very quick overview. I get here by clicking on settings in the top right, and then clicking under data management on properties initially. Then we look at objects, and then we look at the import and export. But under properties, what we'll see is a list of all of the HubSpot properties in your portal, and those properties are aggregated or segmented by the contact, company, deal, feedback submission, invoice, lead, lists, marketing events, and so on properties. Okay, so these are the call properties, these are the company properties, and these are the, where we started, the contact properties. Okay, so we can see all of the properties. We can go in and we can edit the properties where it's possible to edit them if that's what we want to do. And indeed, we can create properties from here, custom properties. So we can build properties in all of the different objects. And again, just following the wizard, as we used to call it, will allow you to set up your effective custom property. Be very careful with 238 contact properties, for instance, that you're not creating a property that already exists in HubSpot, which leads to confusion and duplication and a bit of a mess. Here we can also set conditional logic for the properties. So that means when a certain thing is entered into a property, something else might be required. So for instance, if you put in an address, then you'll be required to add in the postcode. It's quite a powerful feature. We've got property groups that we can create here, and we can see already the contact information and conversion information groups. And if we want to go in and view those properties that are within that group, we can do that as well, which is pretty cool. And we can also see any archive properties. So properties are really important. It's where all the information in HubSpot is stored, and this is where we build new ones. Okay.